We are going to start by making the slaw. Now I'm going to make this real easy today. I'm going to be using a store-bought slaw dressing. You can find this in the produce section. And I have a bag of coleslaw mix. Now I'm not going to be using this whole bag. I'm just going to make enough for these hot dogs. Now if you'd rather make your own from scratch, you absolutely can, of course. I have a great recipe. I'll put it right here if you want to check that out. I will also put it at the end of the video for you. I'm going to add some of the slaw dressing. Give that a mix. I'll add just a smidge more, call this good, and I will pop it in the refrigerator. Now you will want to make your coleslaw a little bit ahead of time. Give it a good hour or two. The longer, the better. I'll pop this in the fridge and we'll get started on the hot dogs. All right, we are ready to wrap these hot dogs up with our bacon. I have 2 slices of bacon and 2 hot dogs. I'm going to be using Nathan's today. Grab one of our slices and we'll start wrapping these up. I have the dogs into our basket. Let's go ahead and pop these into the air fryer. All right, I have the air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We are going to start off for 7 minutes. I will let you know how long this took. Our dogs are done. I gave this an extra minute for a total of 8 minutes. I really would have liked that bacon to be a little bit more crispier, but I don't want to overdo these hot dogs. I'm going to be topping off my hot dogs with some yellow mustard, onion, and of course our coleslaw. We are ready to build this dog. Here are a few other air fryer videos I think you would enjoy checking out next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.